Can I make some, mister? You don't mind me running a business, do you? Please don't mind. Damn. I'm sorry because it's expensive. I ain't got it. And they want me to go to these other events, and I could possibly use that if it's enough. You got me? Can I do that? Or you want to sponsor my whole way? That'll work too. That'll work. Look out.
They got a fireplace.
Y'all know, but I ain't found the fireplace.
Yeah, they got one like that, and then you get the air
Buck
down.
Wild, he done went on. Buck Wild got on the phone, y'all. What's up? I'm finna go check out something.
Ain't nothing to check out.
You ain't got no grudge race though. What you got? Nah, you just all the way to the back. I ain't finna go back there, nah.
You don't want nothing out here?
Nah, I ain't ready for it yet.
And you got him over there?
Nah, I ain't. Some who? Nah, I ain't ready yet. I ain't ready yet.
I ain't trying to.
They trying to get too hard. Y'all trying to go off.
Nigga, we came in this bitch with a bicycle. We don't give a fuck. We gonna fuck him up.
I ain't ready yet.
Say he ain't ready. Say he ain't ready.
I ain't ready yet.
Skybox ain't still fit. That goddamn Weatherburn working good. Yeah.
Let me see. I got that Jesse James race drone view, y'all. I'm finna go to the race. They cranking up. We're going to the race. Let's go to this race real quick. Oh, Buck Master say he real proud of me, y'all. Let me see if I can get up in this mix good enough, y'all. Don't look like I'm gonna get in there good enough. Dang, man. Oh man, help me up, y'all. God, look at all this traffic. How I'm gonna get through this? Oh, traffic. Oh, which way to go? Oh, left, right. Oh, I'm making it through, y'all. Oh, shit. God, oh, shit. I done almost ran somebody asshole. Oh, here comes the car back now. Get over here. I'm gonna go on the other side, y'all. Something broke at the line. Look out. Let's get them likes up, y'all. 130 people watching and 14 likes. That ain't matching. Get the likes up. Oh boy, up there mad, y'all. Talking about that one. Man. Look out. What's up with it, man?
Hey, boy, you got that wreck?
Yeah, I got the wreck on the drone.
Oh, okay.
I caught it with the drone, y'all. I got the Arkansas on the good. Look out, look out.
I ain't even getting recorded.
Look out, look out. Hey, hey, hey. Y'all check out how many people up in here. Look out. Need some water, y'all. don't think I had no water since early. Lots of people here, don't they?
Yes.
Yeah! I need to ask you. Huh?
What it is?
I'm trying to see what it do. I'm headed down here. Hey, shit. Now, that's what I'm talking about. I need me one of them motherfuckers. Hey, they got some of that for me. I need me one of them.
Did you want to walk?
One of them moons. Yeah.
There's a motherfucker walking around toting a female bag selling the hell out of it.
For real?
Yeah.
It's a female with them. They said it's a female with the jaw. Damn, boy. Hey, look out. Okay. Hey, miss. How y'all doing? Y'all heard about what happened earlier? Did y'all hear about what happened earlier? When the paramedics had to go down there.
What?
When the ambulance had to go down there, y'all didn't.
But what happened to
Y'all
him?
didn't.
We didn't know if the driver was okay. Is he okay?
Oh, down there? You talking about the S10? Yeah, he
Yeah, on
good.
the orange. He's
Yeah,
okay?
he good. But I'm
Okay,
talking
great.
about, remember what happened down there when the ambulance came? Did you see it? You didn't see that?
No, baby, what happened?
Somebody had my lookout racing card and a wrench. Had a wrench in the car. They were working on the carburetor and they forgot. I had gave them my card and distracted them. They had put the wrench and the car down to like get their gloves or something. The dude cranked the car up and started doing a burnout. When he did the burnout, the wrench flew back and my card that flew back from the burnt rubber and gave the woman a paper cut. She was bleeding everywhere. They had to call the ambulance. The ambulance came from all the way down there, miss. Yes, she is. They had to wrap her all up in all the gauze. I ain't lying. They had to. Yeah, I'm lying. Yeah, I'm still lying. They had to. Yeah, it was a lady got hurt. Yeah, peeled all the skin. She was blood everywhere.
Somebody knock her down?
No, my car and a wrench. A wrench was on the ground. They did a burnout. And the burnout hit the lady.
That's how I like on this station.
Yeah.
Hey, I've been on that.